So, hi guys, I know I am having the camera the wrong way around and I'm whispering because look, we have two brand new kittens. Look, they're adorable. So we're naming that one Star, but this one I have no idea what to name. So look, here's Star. Here's Star. I know I'm not a good camera person. Whoa, I'm sorry. And that we don't know. We're not naming him Jet. Dominic, we're not naming him Jet. We're not naming the black one Jet.
Wait, face the camera to me.
So these are two. They're like a week old, and so there was 4 cats. The mother got the 2, but they didn't pick up these 2.
They were black. The other two.
The 2 ones were the same black as that one right there, but this one was the only one different. It's just their newborn, like kind of. Wait, you have to go back more. Can't see your whole body. Okay, ready?
Where do I go? Wait.
No, go like. Sorry, go right here. Okay, good. Oh yeah, and we got an update here. So they are the most cutest things in the whole entire world. So I already showed you that one. So I'm just gonna quickly pick this one up. Here's you. So yeah, this one is the kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat.
Shake that thing.
He's that little thing. Boy. So yeah, basically this is the subject. They are the most adorable things. So we're gonna be having them for a while. They're not on sale. They're not in a giveaway. They're not in a giveaway. We're not giving these things away. They're too sweet. We're not giving them away. So I know they are super cute. They don't even have their eyes open. Look. Okay, so hope you enjoyed.